Have you ever wondered how to make your tomato and cucumber plants become real superstars in the garden? In this video, you will discover secrets that are not even in books. But beware, not everything is as it seems. Stay until the end, because at the very end you will find tips that can completely change your approach to gardening. Ready? Imagine this. Your tomato plant grows out of control, filling up with fruits, while the cucumbers literally explode with each new flower. And all this with the help of natural preparations. Yes, you heard right. Using nettle, chamomile, or cypress solutions, you can improve the resistance of your plants. But how exactly do natural preparations work? And why are they better than commercial ones? Try to imagine your plant becoming stronger, immune to diseases that threaten every day. Sounds, smells, are natural preparations the real thing? And now comes the moment when your plant shows what it can really do. Did you know that by spraying nutrient-rich liquids, you can directly feed your leaves and boost growth? But how does it really work? Could something like this mean the difference between an average and a record-breaking crop? Find out soon. Just imagine. Your tomatoes are getting bigger. Your cucumbers are getting that special texture that makes them unstoppable on the table. Then the question arises, who can stand the wait for the next step? But here's another secret that many don't want to tell you: fighting diseases, powdery mildew, downy mildew, and even fusarium wilt. All these dangers lurk in the darkness, but how do you really defeat them? By using eco-friendly fungicides and insecticides, your plants can remain intact, even when everything around them seems hopeless. What if we told you that there was a way to make your plants immune to these threats, even before they appear? Will you dare to try this? The timing of your spraying is also interesting. Why is early morning or late evening the best time? Can spraying in the middle of the heat kill your plant? Yes, it can. Just when you think you have the answer, we reveal another secret: the wrong time can do more harm than good. So when is the right time? But all that is just the beginning. There is one more thing that can bring you a magnificent harvest. Only you have to be ready to step into the world of growth hormones. Yes, that's right. Will you let your plant grow in the right direction? The last big secret: growth hormones. Gibberellic acid, a magical substance that can completely change the dynamics of your garden. Can you believe that simply spraying your plants can improve the number of fruits? Yes, it's all possible. But what if I told you that over-application can cause more harm than good? How willing are you to experiment with your garden? And now I ask you, are you ready to enter the world of spraying plants in a completely new way? Using these secrets can bring you incredible yields, but only if you know how and when. Have you discovered all the secrets, or are you left with questions? Write in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Who knows? Maybe next time we'll reveal more mysterious tricks that can completely change your garden. Thanks for watching. Share this video with your friends on social networks. See you in the next video, where we will explore many more gardening mysteries.